I'm Kurt Tampos and I'm here to assemble my partner Edson Sahilan system unit. First, we gonna attach the motherboard. This is the 250 GB check. Next, we're gonna attach the CPU model Intel Pentium C645. SATA check, 6+2 check, 6+4 CPU plus 12 volts connector check, USB reset switch LED check. Next, we gonna touch the RAM model KBR 1333D3 and 9/4G 1.5 volts. So, back panel. Next, we're gonna attach the CPU fan model Intel 12 volts with 0.6 ampere. Speaker check. And that's all. Thank you. Now we're gonna connect the wires. Gamit ang CPU nila. Ay, dili lang ang CPU.
Pwede na natin.
Iyon ang preference if you like to leave it for that.
Isang ballpen dyan. Then we're gonna close the casing.
Mars, ang ballpen Mars B. Mars, ang ballpen.
Ash, mag-make-up na naman ako.
Big goods.